ChatGPT Work built this neon browser game in one fresh run. The production build passed, the private deployment failed, and when I checked the source independently, the leftover tests and lint did not pass. That mixed result is the experiment, not a clean success story. The model shown in the run is GPT-5.6 Sol, using the lightweight setting. I gave ChatGPT Work a fixed brief: create, orbit, salvage from scratch in a new directory, collect 7 energy shards, return to the center gate within 90 seconds, and include movement, dash, 3 hazard systems, win, loss, replay, responsive layout, and no external runtime assets. This is the authentic Take 3 recording. Before starting, I verified that the captured window was ChatGPT Work, not another desktop app, and restricted the recorder to that window. Work created a new project, wrote a requirement to test plan, hit a local package manager problem, recovered from it, and continued into the full game implementation. Work reported a successful production build, but its local preview was blocked by the workspace browser policy. It then tried an owner-only private site, and the repository repeatedly refused the connection. No public deployment was attempted, no playable URL was produced, and Work explicitly said it could not honestly claim the interactive checks had passed. I recovered the fresh source from the ChatGPT project mirror and ran it outside Work. The production build passed again, but NPM test failed because 2 stale starter skeleton tests were still in the project. Lint also failed with 1 error and 1 warning, so the artifact built, but the claimed completion discipline did not hold up under independent review. The game itself is real and playable. In the production build, I verified the onboarding screen, keyboard movement, space dash, the 90-second timer, 7 visible shards, moving sentinels, gravity wells, shockwave rings, damage, temporary shielding, shard pickup, score and cargo updates, integrity loss and replay. The browser console stayed clean during the inspected runs. A 5-minute Safari soak completed 20 reload, start, and input cycles, with 20 HTTP 200 responses and 20 valid screenshots. Independent play reached 1 shard and the loss state, but not the victory state. The win condition exists in the source, yet I am not labeling it as independently passed. Mobile rules are present in the style sheet, but a narrow visual viewport was not independently emulated. Private deployment also remained blocked. Verdict is mixed. GPT 5.6 Sol in ChatGPT. Work produced a polished, mechanically substantial game from a constrained brief, recovered from a setup failure, and generated a buildable artifact. But deployment failed, stale tests survived, lint failed, and important checks remained unverified. Strong generation, incomplete verification. That is the useful result.